Hello friends, welcome to this class. So let's click on create and then let's key in our figures. Okay, so 1080 by 1350, and then select your color that you want, then you create. Okay, so this is where everything gets interesting. I can change the way I see things. By right clicking on that canvas, I can change the color. Okay, so let me put in my background real quick. Yeah, this is my background. You can have access to this. I told you can download it in Google and then blur it up if you want. It is a must. It's not if you want, it's a must. You have to blur it. Okay, yeah. Okay, as I see the blur is good, I'll add a new background, and then yeah, take your time, just relax. Then yeah, new background. Then I will just manipulate it by using masking. So lower your brush to 30, then change to black, then paint. If you think the video is too fast, just reduce the playtime on YouTube that you have. Like reduce it to maybe -1. You have it slow as you want. Yes, mask it out. I wanted to add a background, but I see that I've lost that background, so I'm just gonna go with this one, the hazing effect. So sorry guys. Yes, so add your hazing effect. You can increase the flow of your brush, then paint. You just have to click. Yes, you use it so that you have some glow white to the edges of the background to make it look more whitish, I guess. So yeah, we have this hazy on top of that to make sure that our image pop. Now let's go ahead and add this background to it, of course. So you also reduce it. This basic stuff, actually, they are all basic stuffs. Yeah, so we are going to mask it out also, so that we can embed our what. Yeah, you get the idea. So gently slow brush them out. Yeah, cool. I think this is okay. Then let's go to the next step. Add another haze effect to it. Yes, adding the hazing effect to it. Okay, change it to screen. It's important. I don't want to waste your time here, so add gradient map into it. Choose the color you want, and of course, yes, I'm moving too fast. I have to fast it a little bit and reduce it like so. Okay. All right. So I added a gradient map in order to get a monochromic color, like single color. I don't want to talk different colors, so that's why I added that